Hi! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a bokeh effect in Photoshop. Now, let's begin. First, duplicate your background layer by pressing ctrl+j in your keyboard. Now, select Filter, choose Blur Gallery, and select Field Blur. After choosing, you may tweak or experiment your desired effect in your bokeh effect. Now it's done! Now, create a new layer for your front bokeh effect. Next step is to create your bokeh brush. Click File, New, and copy the settings. After creating the new file, make sure your brush is the round one and the sharpness is high, and paint the round circle in the layer with just one click. To adjust the brush size, just press the close bracket in your keyboard. After painting the circle, press ctrl+a to select the layer and click Move tool. After clicking the Move tool, click the Align Horizontal Centers and Align Vertical Centers to align the circle into the center. Press ctrl+d to deselect, and select your layer in duplicate by pressing ctrl+j in your keyboard. Select your first layer and right-click, choose Blending Options. Just follow my video to set up the blending option. Press ctrl+t to customize your layer, and find the angle arrow and hold down Shift+Alt to resize your layer. After done, press Enter. Now, go to Edit and select Define Brush Preset. Name your brush preset to Bokeh, and hit OK. Now, it's done. Go back to your main window and select Brush, or press B for shortcuts. Right-click and find your brush that you created and hit Enter. To customize the brush, just go to Brush and follow my video for settings. If you cannot find your brush properties, just press F5. Just keep tweaking on your brush properties until you are satisfied. For the details of the brush color, just copy the details of my settings. If you are now satisfied with the outcome, start tweaking your opacity setting. And go to Filter and add Blur to your bokeh effect. Colorize your effect by creating new fill or adjustment layer. Choose hue or saturation. Click the rasterize icon, check the colorize and tweak. Now it's done. Or, you can just download any bokeh effect in Google. And drag your bokeh image in your Photoshop. After placing the bokeh effect, blend it to screen mode. And now it's done! I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button or leave a comment below.